Federal government increases charges against Senator Misau. The federal government on Tuesday, November 30th, amended the criminal charges it preferred against Senator Isah Misau before an Abuja High Court in Maitama. The action of the government has increased the counts from 5 to 7. Checks revealed that 2 new allegations were leveled against the embattled lawmaker from Bauchi State. This is as the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice, Abubakar Malami, SAN, has reportedly engaged a private prosecutor to handle the case on behalf of the government. Misau, a former police officer, is facing trial for making injurious falsehood against the Inspector General of Police, IGP, Ibrahim Idris and the Nigeria Police Force. At the resumed proceeding on the case, the new prosecutor, Dr. Alex Isaiah, SAN, told the court that the AGF issued him a fiat to handle the trial and to also apply for a subpoena that was issued to compel the IGP to appear as a witness in the matter to be quashed. The 2 new allegations against Misau read, that Isah Misau of Misau residence, Chowki Street, Misau, Bauchi State on or about 26th of August, 2017 at Abuja and other part of Nigeria, within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did make a false statement of fact, to wit, that the Inspector General of Police is scoring high marks by making almost half of the mobile commanders in the country people of his Nupe extraction, which said false statement of fact was published in the This Day newspaper and the Punch newspaper, both dated 26th of August, 2017. Knowing that such false statement of fact would harm the reputation of Mr. Ibrahim Idris, the serving Inspector General of Police, and the Nigeria Police Force, and you thereby committed an offense. That Isah Misau of Misau residence, Chowki Street, Misau, Bauchi State on or about 26th of August, 2017 at Abuja and other part on Nigeria within the jurisdiction of this honorable court, did make a false statement of fact, wit, that the incumbent Inspector General of Police, based on available records, series of petitions and reports from insiders, has no capacity to run the police, just like the chairman of the Police Service Commission, RTD IGP Maitama, who also lacks similar capacity, going and 300 million scam and others hanging on his neck since 2011 during the presidential primary election of the People's Democratic Party, where he served as the head of the Security Committee, which said false statement of fact was published in the This Day newspaper and the Punch newspaper, both dated 26th of August, 2017. Knowing that such false statement of fact would harm the reputation of Mr. Ibrahim Idris, the serving Inspector General of Police, RTD IGP Maitama, the Nigeria Police Force and the Police Service Commission, and you thereby committed an offense. The war between Senator Misau and the IGP took a turn for the worse on the floor of the Senate when Misau told his colleagues that the police boss had flouted the ethics of the agency. Misau alleged that the IGP had an affair with a female officer of the law enforcement agency, impregnated and married her. He further alleged that Idris went ahead to promote the officer, despite the fact that she was not qualified for the new rank.